Heart diseases or cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of death of people globally. Early recognition and immediate procedures need to be performed on the patient for saving them from cardiac arrest and thus restore the glory of life in them. CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation is a skill that is open to be learned by medical students, non-medical students, medical faculty and the general public. Anyone above 18 years of age. The Chettinad Simulation and Skill Center CSSC, located at the Chettinad Academy of Research and Education, a deemed university, offers international basic and advanced life support certificate courses. These courses are provided at various levels, provider and instructor for in-hospital and out-of-hospital settings. The 15,000 square feet CSSC is fully equipped with task trainers and high-fidelity mannequins to provide medical, nursing, dental and allied health science training. The Basic Life Support BLS course is a one-day course that teaches early recognition of cardiac arrest, how and when to activate emergency medical service EMS, high-quality CPR, proper operational steps of automated external defibrillator AED for adult, infant and child, removal of choking for responsiveness and unresponsiveness. The intensive course provides hands-on training on mannequins after watching certified BLS instructional videos under the close supervision of an instructor. The practical duration is 8 hours. The practical exam is conducted and evaluated as per standardized checklists. Certifications are provided in various affiliations: American Heart Association AHA, Indian Resuscitation Council, Chettinad Academy of Research and Education. Contact us now